10 Wisdoms of Robert Kiyosaki. 1. The rich don't work for money, money works for them. This quote challenges traditional thinking about work and emphasizes building assets that generate income. 2. Financial literacy is key. Kiyosaki believes financial education is crucial to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. 3. Focus on cash flow, not just income. He highlights the importance of income that exceeds expenses, creating a positive cash flow. 4. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take it out. Kiyosaki encourages investing in things like real estate or businesses that generate income. 5. Mindset matters. Your financial success is heavily influenced by your beliefs and attitude towards money. Kiyosaki emphasizes overcoming limiting beliefs and developing a wealth mindset. 6. Learn from mistakes, don't fear them. He encourages taking calculated risks and seeing failures as learning opportunities.